Hey everyone, it's Diana from Adventures with Art, and we are diving into how you can merge graphic design and drawing together. Specifically, how you can merge Procreate and Canva together into one piece of art. Um, so, the reason why this matters is because Procreate is a really great drawing program, but it's not great at graphic design, whereas Canva is a great graphic design program, but it's not really great for hand drawing. So if you want to merge both of them together, you're going to need to find a way to have them work well together and play well together. So we're going to walk through how you can do that. We're going to use my little egg guy here as my example. So let's say, you've created some hand-drawn elements. Whatever you're going to want to include in your graphic design, in your final design, go ahead and draw those. You don't have to be completely done. Like, you can repeat this process over and over again and kind of build it as you go. But to get started, make sure you have at least one hand-drawn element that you're going to want to include in your design and that we're going to put on Canva. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come here to the layers, and you're going to want to make sure you uncheck the background layer. So we're going to want to export our design as a transparent image. So that way when we put it in Canva, we'll be able to see what's going on in the background and use it as its own static little image here. So just click that check mark down at the bottom of your layers panel to remove the background color. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the Actions tab, you're going to click Share, and you're going to export it. So I often suggest a PNG. So just click on PNG and then get that to your computer however way works for you, whether you email it to yourself, you airdrop it, you put it on your drive, Google Drive for you to access. Somehow get that PNG to your computer for access to Canva. So once you've exported your design from Procreate and it's off of your iPad and it's on your computer, just drag and drop it into your upload section into Canva. So here's mine right here, my little guy. We're going to start building our design from here. So I'm going to leave this little guy here for now. I'm going to come back to him after I've kind of built my graphic design area. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to add any photos, text, any elements that I see fit and that are necessary. So let's say I want to put my little guy in an art studio. So this is a great opportunity to say too, if you do not have Canva Pro, you're going to want Canva Pro for access to all of their amazing stock photos, elements, fonts, anything like that. So if you're really looking to merge Procreate and Canva to the best of your abilities, go ahead and get Canva Pro. I have a link for a free trial down in the show notes, so you can grab Canva Pro for free. Give it a test, see how you like it, and if you want to continue using it. It's one of the best investments I've ever made, so you may enjoy it yourself as well. But for now, you can grab that free trial and see for yourself how it works. So I'm going to grab this art studio here. Next, what I'm going to do, I think I want to add in my little hand-drawn guy. So I'm going to go back to my uploads, and here is where I drag and dropped my Procreate image from I airdropped it over, and I just dropped it here into Canva. So I'm gonna crop him here a little bit, and then I'm going to just adjust him to the size that I need. So basically what has happened is he is basically just now another image. He is my, he was fully hand-drawn. He is my static image here. So that's an important thing to note, is that once you move your Procreate drawings over to Canva, they will be static images. So you can't change them without going back to Procreate, manipulating it from Procreate, and then re-exporting it and doing this process all over again. So make sure you're fully done and you're ready for your designs to be, finished, your drawings to be finished. So I'm just going to put this little guy here, and then let's have him saying something. So we can do a little speech bubble here. We'll just have him talking to us. And let's say I want to flip that. Here we go. This is what's so great about Canva, is you have access to so many elements, so much text. Even though you need to do your hand drawing in Procreate, there are really so many elements you get access to when you have Canva. So let's make that blue, and let's add some text here just so he's talking to us. And I can go ahead and move this into our text bubble. rotate it a little bit. Whoop. My computer is freezing. There we go. Make it a little bit bigger. And Canva has so many amazing fonts. I can change this font to something a little bit more fun. And there we go. So that's just a really simple way of how do you take your hand-drawn work that you've taken in Procreate, how you can export it and then put it into Canva to then merge the worlds of hand drawing and graphic design together through these great programs. I hope that was helpful, and it kind of opens your eyes to how you can be a little bit more creative with merging these two mediums. And remember, you can grab that free trial for Canva Pro down in the subscription so that you can have access to everything that Canva Pro has to offer. Remember to smash that like button. Please subscribe. Keep coming back to Adventures with Art for more art tips.